Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. We use breadcrumbs a lot of times in our cooking, and in today's video we are going to make breadcrumbs at home. So let's begin. For the ingredients, you can take any variety of bread. I am using the regular white breads. You may even use brown breads, multigrain breads, or any other variety that is available with you. I am taking 4 slices of these. You can take as many as you wish depending on your requirement. I am not removing the brown edges, but if you wish, you can remove them as well. Now let's move to the second step. I am heating up a frying pan and will dry roast the bread until they become a little crispy and brown in color. You can even use a toaster if you wish. Once done, switch off the flame and let them cool down. Now I will break the bread slices and will put them in the jar. If you want the breadcrumbs to be more fine, you can use the regular first or second speeds. I want them to be coarsely ground, so I will be using this whip option for 2-3 seconds, and that's all. 1 and 2. And here we have the breadcrumbs ready. Allow them to cool down and transfer in an airtight container. Now I will also prepare the second batch of breadcrumbs by following the same process. Keep this covered, and here we have the homemade breadcrumbs all ready to be used. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.